Yo, what's up, my nigga?
Don't let us.
Oh no, back
This.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tree St. Louis. We out here on Tree St. Louis YouTube channel. We out here on some vibes today. Alright, so today we're gonna be using the Monkey app. I know you guys know what it is. You guys already don't know what it is. You guys know what it is. I don't know if you know what it is. I'm gonna tell you what it is. My guy will tell you what it is. Vibes.
So guys, as you heard him say, we're going to be using Monkey app. So first of all, let me turn on my screen record. I'm going to be downloading the app. By the way, this is not sponsored. They didn't pay for anything. Not a sponsored post. So just so that you guys know. But Monkey app. Wait, what? Have they deleted it? Or is it called Omegle?
Yeah, put Monkey app. You see Omegle.
Sorry, technical difficulties.
Download not available temporarily.
It's not Android.
Alright, so the Monkey app is down. So I guess we're going to try Omegle.
First, what exactly are we doing in this video? You probably not told me.
I've actually said it too many times. It's like FaceTime with random people.
So what are we doing?
We open the FaceTime and we talk to random people.
You did not tell me that I'm coming. What are we opening for that? You're open and
on
talk
FaceTime.
Yeah? You tell me the what we are doing now. I know we are doing competition based on the
Oh,
I'm
no,
sure we're talking about small time to say to what I'm hearing.
Wow. This is long process.
No, it's not that long, do it.
Age.
Do it, it's not that long.
Okay. So we have to then select a picture. I'll put this one.
No, put another one, the one that's on. You want them to pick your coin.
No, okay, no. Let me use my picture. It's my video. To be fair, no, it's my video.
A catfish. Come on,
It's my video. Oh my damn. Start Omegle. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it popping. Allow video access. Why are they giving me only Neni, Indonesia?
I beg. Is it the face of somebody? Put it on your face.
Well, I'll get the next one. We'll go like that, like this, like Steven. Okay, yeah. I think everybody see. Okay, no.
If you don't think,
just.
yo, what's up?
What's good, bro?
Ah, why you gonna answer now? Now you answer. The rest they don't answer no. Eh? You they talk oh. What? Ah, you they go answer. You supposed to answer now. Eh? That's all. You gotta shake your head, joy. How will be that babe?
You said I'm running a train?
I said, who be that babe? Who be that babe?
I run a train.
No, the babe waiting next to you should be. Ah, the ain't fine, no. Two babes, only you. Hi, guy, you be boss, oh. Only you two babes. God, oh my, you bust my brain. God, you didn't bust my brain, oh. Mess them. Who come out with that eye accident? Ha! Oh yeah, mess it. What's be your name? What's be your name?
What are you doing?
What's be your name? What's be your name? Yo, I'm sorry.
I think he's trying to understand you at some point.
Okay.
God,
Next one.
anyone how about you? You guys want to
Fine.
No, but we have to like make it like just show off.
Wisconsin. Okay, yeah.
anything you pick.
No, the person left. Talia, 18.
Yo, what's good? I said what's good.
So angry, bro. Like, bro, it's like that hard.
How much did you beg? Go there.
Well, my turn. No, you guys got some skips before.
I did not skip anything.
You did.
I
skip
not
twice.
He left his own.
No, you skipped.
But you guys
were
skip-
waiting.
Oh, yeah,
But you're waiting
oh, yeah,
now.
But that's a baby now. That's a baby.
Huh?
Hello.
Hey, what's up? What's good?
What's up?
Huh? What's your face?
My face.
Yeah, your face.
Why?
Well, it's a face. It's like a FaceTime. Maybe also you're supposed to show your face.
Oh, okay, I'll show you like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna go into the light to show you my face.
Okay. Yeah, I want to see your face, so. See your face.
Yo, what's up, on the good?
I know this shit, bro. What's up?
Why do you know that guy was white?
Why do you run away?
So,
And
yo!
That guy was white. I just said that shit, but okay, nah. It was funny.
We know your name.
Nah.
We know your name. We have it on record.
It was funny.
Yeah.
But like,
You're watching this,
yeah,
bro.
nah, that was messed up, but okay, you. Testicle.
Ew.
Oh, fun! I just thought
Correct. I'm not pretty busy.
Lucy.
Hey, beautiful. What you doing? How are you doing? You look good. What are you up to tonight? You said what?
My boyfriend is there. I said she's sleeping.
Oh, are you
My
home?
boyfriend there.
Are you home alone?
Oh. That one she had. I think she had
Her
actually
boyfriend
her
was
boyfriend,
next to her.
and she was whispering.
I'll
What
take
is
that
she
one.
doing?
So it's fake.
What's that?
MYA Mia. Oh.
Hi. How you doing? Okay.
You are looking at that here. You have to have it. No matter what, is there now?
Come on now. Hey, Jesus. Come on, man. How fun? Yo,
Get the two remotes.
What's good? Mom, where you from?
Canada.
Oh, for real, I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria. Oh, that's a nice place.
Yeah.
My uncle actually lives there.
Oh, for real? So what you doing on this app?
Just for comedy and that. I do comedy, but now I don't because quarantine and no school anymore.
Are you actually 33? You're 33.
Yeah.
You are 33 years old.
No.
Okay. So how old are you?
13.
Bro, how would you say why is he still on the phone? Why is he still on the phone?
We'll soon wrap up.
Until me the one that will see you.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing? What's up with you? Ooh, there's two of you. Ooh. Let me see the other girl. Let me see the other girl. Let me see the two of you.
Okay.
Idiot.
He put his face. Shit, yeah.
It's an evil world we live in.
Good.
Okay.
I would have responded. I didn't know what I was responding to that.
Video over. Like, comment, subscribe.
I would have responded.
Good night.